Hi there, this is Gail from FantasticFreezer.com. We're going to increase the inside storage space of your fridge and freezer by a whopping 300%. Then we're going to cut the cost of your food down by 30%. Save you prep time by as much as 300%. The good news is the Fantastic Organizer for your fridge and freezer is the only guaranteed way to deal with all those issues. One of the main secrets is to have an abundance of pull-out shelves. We have over 15 shelves in our Fantastic Freezer and a similar number in our Fantastic Refrigerator. So what we do, it's really easy to lower your cost by 30%. You bulk buy, you go to a warehouse club like Costco, and the deal is to take control of your costs, lower your food costs by 30%, get back control of your time as well. You can reduce your prep time. Most of all, the best part is it pays for itself in less than a year. You'll be so thrilled when you get your Fantastic Freezer. See us at FantasticFreezer.com for more information.